What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with HHA Business Pro. It's Mafato here, and in this video I want to walk you through the most efficient way to get affluent, meaning rich folks, private paying clients, and how to get those guys to reach out to you for your home care business so you can close them and do business with them. So there's something that you need to understand. In your city, in your county, in your state, there are rich people that are going onto Google and then they're searching for the services that you have to offer as an agency. And then there are several results that show up as they're doing these searches. And when they see the search result that they like, what they do is they click on it, and then there'll be a phone number, and then they contact that said agency. So this process is done through Google advertising. So Google has a backend. Google has a backend platform that allows for people like you or me to create an account and buy these keyword phrases that people are already searching for, like in-home care service near me, and target these affluent people. And once those people search for that keyword phrase, they're able to see your ad and click on it as well. So this process is so efficient that you will know down to the penny, to the dollar amount, to the penny, how much it costs you to acquire a customer. And you'll also know down to the penny how much it costs you for people to see your ad or click on it. So let me share my screen and I'll walk you through exactly how this process works so you completely understand how it works. All right, here we go. So I just logged into the back end of Google, and this is the platform that is called Google Advertising. Okay, you can get access to this. I can get access to this. I can create an account. You can create an account. This is available for anybody. Okay, so don't be overwhelmed by all this mess right here. Don't be overwhelmed by it. Okay, but there's two places I want you to focus on. Okay, these are these two right here. Okay. All right. So it says in-home care services and home caregiver. These two are keyword phrases that people are searching for. And I'm able to buy these keyword phrases so that people that are searching for these two keyword phrases are able to see my ads for my clients. Okay. So what this is saying is this keyword phrase in-home care services costs me $18.67 for two people to click on it. And then this next keyword phrase here has cost me $13.84 for one person to click on it. So how exactly does this work? So let me show you practically how this works. So I'm going to use the first example here, the in-home care services, as an example. So let's go to Google right now. Okay, there we go. So I'm already in google.com now, and I've already pre-filled that keyword phrase in-home care services that I showed you in my Google ad account. All right. And I've already done the search and hit enter. I'm in the state of Georgia in the city of Suwanee. So this will be the search results that I get are going to be obviously different from the search results that you will see in your city, your state, and your county. All right. Because the rates vary ever so slightly depending on where you are. So if you scroll down here, you will see these search results. And how you know these are paid advertising is because of this word here that says sponsored, sponsored, sponsored. And yeah, that's about it. And then the rest down here, they don't have anything that says sponsored at the top. So these are just all organic searches. But for the most part, most people, in order for you to get on the first page of Google, it makes sense for you to pay for that space. So this is no different from when you walk into a grocery store and then you see a placement of a product that is closer to the checkout aisle, and that product was placed there, and the producer of that product had to pay for that product to be placed right there closer to the checkout aisle, because they knew people like you would make a compulsive purchase. Okay, so this is exactly the same thing that this agency is doing. Home Watch Caregivers, and then Perfect Care Nursing agency is doing. Now, what does this mean for you? It means that if you try and rely on organic searches down here, these agencies have probably been around, probably been in business for a very long time, probably longer than you. So they're able to go up in the search rankings. They're able to take that first page because they've been in business longer than you. And if you notice, if I keep scrolling down here, there are other agencies here that are paying for a slot that is slightly lower. And let's keep going. Let's keep going. As you see, you can keep going. There are more search results here, down here, and it's become an endless scroll. And then you can get more results, but it makes sense for you to pay for the spot at the top so you're noticed, so that people typically, when people are doing a search, they're going to look for the search results that are closer to the top. Okay, so you want to make sure you're paying for the top position. The way Google advertising works is that it's an auction, no different from eBay, or if you've ever gone to a public auction to buy a car. It's the person that bids the most for the space is the one that gets the space. Okay, so this agency right here has bid the most amount of money to Google and said, hey, Google, I'm willing to pay the most, more than this guy, so I can be at the top of that search. That's what it just really means. So what does this mean? It means if I click on this ad, it means that this agency has been charged a small fee by Google. Maybe it's $18 or $9, whatever the case is. So they're going to see, unfortunately, I've cost them money. So pretty much they're getting charged just for me clicking on it. So now that you've seen how Google advertising works, how all the keyword phrases are bought, and the results that show up when people buy those search phrases, it's important for me to introduce this course that my wife and I have put together to deliver the most value for people that are looking to grow their agency. And if you're looking to grow your agency, and if you're 100% serious, then this course is going to be perfect for you. So let me walk you through the value that we've put into this course. This is our second course, because the first one, we got a lot of feedback, and we listened to all our students. We listened to all the conversations, all the calls that we've had with potential students that didn't purchase our first version. We listened to you guys, and now we've been able to put together a much better version with an epic, beautiful price point that you will love. So let me walk you through what this course is all about. And it's going to be focusing on using Google advertising as the key driver for getting you these private paying clients, and you can close them. Okay, so let me walk you through this. So if you scroll down here, you'll see that what we do for you is we do the Google ads for you, and we activate them for you. What this means is that, as I've shown you, we know all the keyword phrases that perform well. This is for any state, for any county, for any city. We already know the keywords that work, and we've done experiments with different areas, different cities, so we absolutely know what works. So we are going to be able to apply the same keyword phrases into your Google advertising account, set it up for you, and teach you how to do it so that you can do it yourself. And the reasoning behind this is this. Part of the reason why a lot of people are not successful in digital marketing and advertising their products online is because they don't want to put in the work. They don't want to go through the headache of activating these Google ads, because the learning curve for you is going to be pretty long, right? But we already know how to do it. So what we're going to do for you here is that if you sign up for this course, you will be able to sign up for a Google advertising account. Remember I said it's available for anybody? Once you sign up for that Google advertising account, you will give us permission to activate these campaigns for you. Activating campaigns means that we will take the keywords that we know work, we apply them into your Google ad account, like I showed you, and then we'll set it up and we'll teach you how it works so that you can take it on and not have to pay us or anybody else a monthly fee to maintain all of that. You can literally maintain it maybe with just 15-20 minutes every single month or every week if you want to, but just know the activation has already been done. That's the hard work, right? That's where the true value is. You're not just buying this course just to learn. You're buying this course both to learn and to have us do it for you. That's the benefit of this new version. Secondly, you're going to get sales training. A lot of people suck at sales. I used to suck at sales, and I understand that you can get all these leads coming in through your Google advertising campaign and people calling you and everything, but you also need a system and a process on how to close those leads, right? Because these are private paying clients. So you got to speak to them a certain way. These are people with money. So you need to be able to know how to speak to them so that you can get their money, right? This is not Medicare where you just fill out forms and then the government pays you. These are rich people. So you need to understand how to approach them, the language that they understand, the language that they speak, because all they're concerned about is efficiency and understanding that you know how to do the job, and we'll teach you how to do it the right way. We've created what we call the perfect closing script. This is a sales script that you and I are going to practice together. So it's a very interactive course, right? We're going to practice together where I will pretend to be the client. You will be the one that's trying to pitch me on why I should sign up for your agency. So it'll be practice, 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 so that by the time you get into the real world, you've perfected your sales skills. That is going to be the absolute benefit to you and your agency, and there's massive value in this. Next, you will learn how to charge the highest rates for your city, county, or state. Oftentimes, when I talk to agency owners, they quote me on the lowest rates, and they always tell me that they charge the lowest rates. I'm like, why would you charge the lowest rates? Are you not good enough? And they say, well, no, we're good, but I just don't want to overcharge. Well, I say, you need to learn how to be more confident so you can charge the highest rates, because these affluent folks, they don't care about the money specifically. What they care about is you delivering the best work. They want the best of the best. So we'll teach you how to position your agency as the best of the best so you can command the highest rates for your city, county, and state. So what I want you to do is I want you to skim through this sales page. Make sure you understand everything that you're getting in the course curriculum here. And it's a very simple flow. It's not a lot of lessons, and you can literally skim through this within 30 days. The idea here is that within 30 days, maximum 45 days, right? I've seen some people that can probably do it. If they're lazy, they can do it in 60 days. But even then, that's pretty good. If you're lazy, like me, you can do it in 60 days. What I'm saying is that if you're committed, if you're dedicated, you can absolutely get this up and running within 30 days. That's our big promise. All this is valued at $1,500, but check it out. This is what you pay today. You pay $597 today if you're interested in this. So all you have to do, if you still have any questions, click the link below. I've put together 2 links. I put the link to this course so you can preview it and understand what you get. Secondly, I put together a link to my calendar so you can schedule some time and talk to me and ask me any questions you might have before you make a purchase. I'm super excited to work with any one of you guys who are interested and deliver massive value to you guys so you can grow your agency. Because remember, the home care business is recession proof. This is the best niche to be in if you're in the home care business. The healthcare field is the best. So click the links below. All right. I'm waiting for you to do it. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead. Come on. You know you want to do it. Just do it. Come on. Just do it. All right. Listen, I'll see you on the other side. Okay. See you in the next video. Stay focused.